Okay, so we've done the areas and volumes now. Next step, kind of building on the order of operations, is to look at things like this. I might give you a formula. This is the formula for work. Work is equal to force times distance. As it is, there's really nothing to do with it. But if I tell you that you're going to apply a force of 200 pounds over a distance of 8 feet, now we can calculate the work by putting the 200 pounds in here times 8 feet. And then the order of operation says it's 200 times 8 or 1,600 foot-pounds. Bless you. Bless you again. Now that one, we didn't really have to do much with order of operations because it was just multiply. But you might run into, like an electronics formula, power is equal to voltage squared divided by resistance. And if you're told that it is a 12-volt system and your resistance is, let's go with 8 ohms. Let's find what that power is. We're going to put 12 squared over 8. Order of operation says you must square this first. 12 squared is 144. Divided by 8, which will give us 18, and that's going to end up being watts. This is going to be the units, but for now I'm just worried about the numbers, not the labels. Or you might even have more advanced formulas, like, not necessarily more advanced, but power equals current squared times resistance. So let's say I have a current of 2 amps and a resistance of 9 ohms. Find your power. Well, same thing. What do we do for I? How about 2 squared? Then R is going to be 9. So order of operations says we do 2 squared first, which is 4. 10 times 9 is 36. And again, that will be watts because it's power. We can run into formulas that are even more complicated, like the area of a trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is equal to base 1 plus base 2 over 2. In other words, the average of the bases times the height. You add the bases divided by 2. That's the average of the bases. You are averaging. You're taking the bases, you're adding them together and dividing by 2. This right here is the average of the bases. No problem. So let's say that B1 is 12 inches, B2 is 28 inches, and your height is 10 inches. So we're going to plug things in here. 12 plus 28 over 2 times 10. What do we have to do first here? 12 plus 28, which is 40. Then what? Divide by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20 times 10 is 200. What do you guys think? Well, because this quiz usually does take a long time, I had it planned to be short and sweet today. Page 22, problems 1 through 29 in the ad.